Good morning. I stayed at the Ice Water Spring shelter last night. I pitched my tent outside. It was a packed shelter, and there was a bunch of tents, like everywhere. But yeah, I just left Ice Water Spring shelter. I slept, well, pretty decent compared. Well, I'm having a gear malfunction. My sleeping pad. I think the valve on it is leaking, so, yeah, you know, by probably 2 in the morning, it was completely flat. So, but I didn't bother blowing it back up. I just, slept on a deflated sleeping pad, which I had my foam pad underneath it, so it wasn't too bad, but that cold ground was waking me up a lot. But yeah, well, with my sleeping pad, I'm probably going to wait until Hot Springs to see if I can fix it. And if not, just go to the outfitter. I think there's an outfitter there that I can maybe buy a new one. But, yeah, it's kind of a bummer. But, today, in 1 mile, we're going to see Charlie's Bunion, which is really cool. And it looks like it's going to be a nice day. And the weather did... I don't think there's a chance for rain until like 6 p.m. today. So that's pretty good. And it's really good because I plan on doing a 20-mile day today, all the way to Cosby Knob Shelter, which is a shelter I've stayed at before. But that's the plan. In 1 mile, we'll see Charlie's Bunion. There should be a lot of views along the way after Charlie's Bunion, all the way to Cosby Knob. So that's going to be a 20-mile day. Well, let's get to hiking. All right, that was Charlie's Bunion. It's pretty awesome. It's just like this, you know, just rock face that just kind of comes out of the mountain that you can kind of go stand on, and you get like a, I don't know, let's say like a 270 view. You can see Mount LeConte up to the left, which I've been there before. That's where I told you in the last video where I took the Boulevard Trail that connect to the AT. Well, if you take the Boulevard Trail, it'll take you right up to Mount LeConte, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that was Charlie's Bunion. Yeah, the fog just, you know, it just looks like clouds just floating there. It was really cool. There wasn't much wind at all, so they were just kind of staying still. It was really cool. But all right, that's all I got on Charlie's Bunion. Let's keep on hiking. What's up, guys? Man, the views today have been great. That last one there, that was Laurel Top. That was one of the mountains in the Smokies. And I'm coming down off of it right now. We're gonna be coming up close to Peck's Corner Shelter. I'm not gonna be stopping at that one. It's like 0.4 off the trail. I stayed at it last time I was in the Smokies, but I may only go there if I'm in like desperate need of water, but I think I'll be fine. And then the next shelter is Tri-Corner Knob Shelter, I think that's what it's called. And that's like 7 miles away. That is one, it's right off the trail. That's one I'm gonna plan on stopping at and getting water. And when I get there, that'll be like 12 miles for the day. And then we'll have to push another 7 point something to Cosby Knob. Yeah, that's the update for now. Yeah, that sign right there. If I would have taken that blue blaze that would have went down, that was where the Peck's Corner Shelter was, and it's 0.4 down there. It was a nice shelter. That's where I stayed at. I think my second night when I was doing my first Smoky Mountain backpacking trip. But yeah, we're not stopping there today. Nope. No 0.4 down, then 0.4 up. We ain't doing that. All right, the next shelter is 5 miles away, and it's Tri-Corner Knob. That's where I'm gonna get my next water. All right, let's get there. What's up, guys? Well, I just took a pit stop at the Tri-Corner Knob Shelter. Drank an electrolyte mix, liquid IV, and ate the rest of my trail mix. I still have 2 Cliff Bars to get me to where we need to be. The plan right now is I'm still shooting for Cosby Knob Shelter. It is 7.7 miles away, so we got to book it. But it is 2:20 right now. I think we can make it. And what is cool is that we just have really one big climb. Well, it's not super big. Mount Guyot. We got to get up over Mount Guyot, and then it's pretty much downhill all the way to Cosby, which is pretty cool. We'll have to do a little climb. I think Cosby Knob is what you have to climb, but yeah, that's the plan. 7.7 to Cosby Knob. right, I just checked far out, and Cosby Knob Shelter is 1.6 away. All we gotta do is just climb up the knob, and then we kind of wrap around it, and the shelter should be on the other side. Let's get there. It's been a long day.